Today we're checking out a smart home product that can seriously upgrade your home security. This is the KERUI 7-inch smart alarm system. Right away, the first thing you notice is the large 7-inch IPS touchscreen. It looks modern, it's super responsive, and it makes controlling your system really simple. This device supports 4G LTE, GSM, and Wi-Fi, so it stays connected no matter what. That means even if your internet goes down, the system can still send alerts and keep your home protected. One of the best features here is the Tuya Smart and Smart Life app integration. You can control the entire system directly from your phone, arm, disarm, monitor sensors, and receive instant notifications wherever you are. It also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your security system using voice commands, which is really convenient. In terms of coverage, it supports up to 100 wireless zones, meaning you can connect sensors for doors, windows, motion detection, and more. You can even customize names for different areas in your home. There are also smart features like SMS alerts, remote phone control, intercom function, and low battery warnings, which add extra layers of reliability and safety. And thanks to the 24/7 monitoring system, you'll always know what's happening in your home, whether you're inside or outside.